Forgive my bluntness, but I have to keep it real and tell you that I never expected to publish this video. I recorded it for the sole intent of using it as stock footage, but now here we are, in the middle of a pandemic, and hand sanitizer is one of the hottest commodities around. You see, I planned on having Goofy sign his favorite food, a hot dog, when I met him at Chef Mickey's last September 2019. However, I was unable to find the plush hot dog in my luggage right before the meal, so I had to improvise at the last minute. That led me to making a quick stop in the souvenir store in Disney's Contemporary Resort before heading off to lunch. I was low on hand sanitizer anyway at the time, and I figured Brian wouldn't judge me too much for spending nearly $10 on a Disney bottle if it had his favorite of the Fab Five on the case. Thus, I cringed and purchased the overpriced hand sanitizer just to have something for Goofy to sign. Little did I know we would end up here in a few short months. We hope that you're able to take a break from the stress of the world right now and enjoy some good, clean fun with Goofy. Wink, wink. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you in advance for liking this video and subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. Now, let's get to the video you were never intended to see. Hello! How are you? Sorry, what was that? You're great? Oh, fantastic. Hello. I have something for you to sign. I brought a hot dog for you to sign, but I forgot it totally. It was like a plushy hot dog. So instead I got you hand sanitizer because you need to use it before you eat the hot dog, you know? So if that works, would you sign that instead? You're on it. There you are. Just not chef you, but it works, you know. You can sign it like on the side or whatever is good. There you go. Yes, go for it. You are welcome to sit down. Would you mind doing the hot dog dance for me after? Yay. Aw, thank you so much. You did a wonderful job. Thank you. Thank you very much. Oh, thank you. That's very polite. All right, you ready for it? Gotta stretch. Get the calisthenics in, and then you're ready. All right. Aw. Very nice. Good job. Thank you very much. Aw, thank you so much. Have a good day. Thank you. Well, hot dog indeed. Disney clearly loves hot dogs. Not only is there the hot dog dance, did you know Mickey's first spoken words are hot dogs, hot dogs, in the short The Carnival Kid that was released in 1929. Yep, hot dogs make history with Disney. While the world is making some history of a different sort right now, we really hope you're staying safe and healthy by practicing social distancing, staying home if at all possible, taking care of one another, and washing your hands. And when that isn't doable, we turn to hand sanitizer. Even Goofy is on board with that. Take care, everybody, and remember to hug your loved ones, cherish the memories, and always continue seeking the magical.